Okay, now let's go with the third exercise for this last set of exercise just to close this introduction of sequences. Now, it is given given an equals n squared minus 3n plus 5 and n greater than 1. Calculate the sum of the first 3 terms. Of course, I could have asked the sum of the first 5, but we just got an idea, okay? This, if you got the first 3, you can get the first 5. So again, pause the video, think, okay, a little bit, and then we continue. Okay, let's solve it. That's your ahead of time. Now a1, let's do it casual. a1, it is 1. 1 squared, n equals 1, right? Minus 3, 3 times 1, just 3, plus 5. This is what? 5 with 1, 6, minus 3, 3. This is a1. a2 is going to be what? 2 squared, 4, minus 3 times 2, 6, plus 5. Well, minus 6 with 5, minus 1 with 4, plus 3, right? Now, last one, a3. Let's see. 3 squared, 9, minus 3 times 3, 9. So far it's 0, plus 5. Just 5. Well, the sum of a1 plus a2 plus a3, it is going to be what? 3 plus 3 plus 5. Those are 6 with 5, 11. So answer is going to be 11. Simple, right? Okay. It's just the idea that I wanted you to follow. And now let's make the fourth one. Okay. Number 4. Now, if it's given to you, given the first term equals 5. And now look, something a little bit different. A sub n plus m, it is going to be a n times a m. This is an m, okay? And of course, n greater equal than 1, and also m greater equal than 1. Okay, again, pause and let's see what you come out with. Oh, and if you just ask me, what are n and m? Well, m and n are arbitrary numbers, okay? For instance, if you wanna, let me take that paper again. If let's suppose we have a 5. We could make a 5 like a 3 plus 2, right? In this case, this is going to be n. This is going to be n, and this is going to be m. Look, can you see? So the fifth term in this case, it would be a n, a3 times a m, a2. You see? A little bit different, okay? Just like I said, if I just keep doing, okay, all the same exercise, there is no point, okay? Because chances are that on your life, on your exam, your middle exam, or whatever, you are going to have something different that you have never seen in your entire life. And the idea is to present those in here for you. Okay, I believe you read. Pause it, and please, if you did not pause it, pause now, take a pen, see if you can do it. Please try to do it. Even if you think I can't do it, that is where you should actually try it. Okay, because even if you can't do it, it's good, because at least you have you have attempt several options, and even if all of those options are wrong, at least you can say, well, at least I know that those 10 options, they do not work. Well, you know something, okay? You know that they don't work. It's something, okay? Whatever, the more you can work with, it's good, okay? Always try to think. Like I said, the exercises, they are not here so you can give the answer. Oh, most books, you just have the exercise in the end of the book. And if you just want the answer, you can just fast forward this video and get the answer in the end. So, if the aim of the exercise was to get the answer, please skip 2-3 minutes and go to the answer. But of course, there is no fun about doing that. And why there is no fun? Simply because our brain works like this. When we get something, when we solve something, we feel good. Okay, we feel very good, and that's the compensation we get for solving something difficult. The most difficult it is, more the price is bigger that our brain gives to us. It is a sensation of being good, well-being, and it is actually this is chemistry inside our brain. Okay, every time we solve something difficult, our brain gives to us a present, make us feel good. That's why we pursue difficult things. Okay, so even if you can do it, please try it. Okay, now let's solve this one. Well, A1 is given. Let's see A2. A2, it is going to be what? Well, n and m must be equal or greater than 1. Therefore, I have to do this. It is 1 plus 1, right? How can I form the two? 1 plus 1. This is going to be A1, this is going to be the n, and this other one is going to be the m times A1. So this is going to be 5, this is 5, right? 5 times 5. 5 squared, this is 25. Good. Now let's see. Let's change color. Let's see now A3. What is A3? Oh, just one thing that I forgot. Given that, find A5. The fifth term, okay? That is the question. Now, A3, it is what? How can we make A3? Well, we can make what? 1 plus 2 or 2 times 1. It is the same, right? So 1 A sub 1 plus 2. What is this? N equals 1. So this is A1 times A2. You see? That's how we do it. A1, it is 5. A2, 25. 5 times 25, 125. Good. We have found A1 is given, A2 is here, A3 is this one. Let's go to A4. Now, going to red again. A4, it is going to be, how can we make A4? We have two possible ways. Let's see both of them. We have A1 plus 3, and we can also say A2 plus 2, right? Both are going to give A sub 4. In this case, it's going to be A1 times A3. In this case, it's going to be A2 times A2. What is this? A1, 5, times A3, 125. A2 times A2. You can see that in both of them we are going to get 625. I'm going to do this. No, I'm not going to try twice because it's going to seem that it is another term. And now we can just go to the fifth term. That's the aim for the exercise. I'm going to do in this way, in this part in here. I don't want it to squeeze in here. Let's see A5. A5, let's make it in black. A5. What is going to be A5? Well, we can do this 1 plus 4, or we can see A2 plus 3, right? First try 1, then 2, okay? There is no other option. This is going to be A1 times A4, and this is going to be A2 times A3. A1, 5. A4, 625. A2, 25. A3, 125. It's not difficult to see that this number can be written as, instead of 25, we can say 5 times 5 times 125, and this is 625. I'm just showing you that this number in here, it is this number in here. It's the same, okay? Okay, now, if we were to do mental math, what would you do? Well, we could do this, okay? Let's put in here mental math. And we want to do this, 5 times 625. Well, let's break. 625 is a very ugly number. I prefer to do this. 6 times 600 plus 25. It's much more easier because it's zeros. I love to work with zeros. 5 times 6, it is 30. With 2 more zeros, good. 3000 plus, what is 6 times 25? 125. And this is 3125. And this is the answer. I just wanted to know A5, right? Okay, and this is A5. Good. No problems about it? So this closes the first part of sequences, okay, the introduction. Next video we are going to deal about the sum and the product of a sequence. But so far this is the basics of sequences. And I'm sorry, I just forgot, this is page number 6. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video.